This video, we will show you how to group in Canva. To group in Canva, it's very easy. You can group between element, shape, or another. For example, first you need to create a designs. In here, I'm using a logo to create a designs, and I'm choose elements here. You can see there is element. For easiest way, we can using shape to get the tutorial how to group in Canva. Okay, just we can using basic shapes, for example, a square with circle like this. Okay, then to make a group or to create a group in here, you need to click the first element or the first shape and hold the shift button on your keyboard and then select the second on your keyboard like this. Okay, after that you can see there is group menu on the toolbar, or you can just using right click and select group here. Okay, you can also using shortcut with Ctrl plus G like this. Now, the shape is grouping, so when you moving one, the others will follow like this. Okay, to ungroup, you can just click this and see the ungroup menu here. Or for shortcut, you can press Ctrl Shift plus G. I will press the shortcut, Ctrl Shift plus G. Now, this is the ungroup. You can see. To group again, just hold Shift on your keyboard and select the both of the shapes, and then you can click the group like this. Now, whenever or wherever you move the first design, the second will follow. Okay, and that's all how we can group in Canva. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.